In this video, I will be telling you how to claim the voucher codes on NodePay.com. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you're new to the channel, sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let me show you guys how you guys can actually get the voucher redeemed. So first thing first, visit NodePay website, which I've just shown you, and then sign into your account or create one if you don't have it. The other thing is access voucher. Navigate to the voucher or redeem code section in your dashboard. So your dashboard will look like something like this. And after that, enter the code over here. For example, input your voucher code in the provided field and then click on the redeem or claim voucher button and then confirm it. Check your account for the credits, benefits, or services. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.